Me and Max, my co-founder, we started a coffee shop franchise. And we had to use either banks or traditional payment company to making international payment, which are expensive and slow. So we started by solving a single problem, which tried to create a different way to the current corresponding banking system so that we can making real-time, transparent and low-cost and efficient international payments worldwide.
It is incredibly difficult, as it always has been, to do business across borders. Managing your money in different territories, different currencies, with different legal and regulatory obligations is a very high lift. And that's been as much of a problem in history as it is today. Even for very large, very sophisticated, very established companies, that's really hard. Airwallex is on the journey to solving that and making it easy, straightforward, and very transparent for businesses of all sizes to solve it. It's really important that Airwallex is built as an infrastructure because it means that we can offer our customers a really seamless way to access all sorts of different payment mechanisms, payment rails, currencies, but also a very transparent and cost-effective way to do that as well. It's our superpower, the fact that we've gone out there and got all these licenses, we've gone and integrated with different rails around the world. We put all of that together so that we can remove the complexity and give our customers, no matter how big they are, the same experience of paying, transferring money and getting paid around the world.
At Airwallex, we have a very tight-knit support network. When we onboard a new client, we try to be as close as possible to them and answer any questions that they have very early on. And then we work very closely with our support team and our account management team to ensure that, whenever they have any issues, any questions, there's an actual human to support them.
The more we embedded ourselves into the shoes of a customer and helping them solving real business operating issues, giving the businesses transparency and control and saving them time and creating efficiency when they actually operating the business, the more powerful that we are and the more impact that we can make.
We have a solution for a smaller company that just needs to use an e-banking solution, but we'd also have a suite of APIs that can be tailored to virtually any use case for any size of company. Our products are very customizable, and as a result, we like to make sure that they're being used to the best that they can be for any given use case.
Traditionally, when you go to the bank, you got to go in multiple times, have a meeting, fill in like a billion paperwork. This wasn't like that. It was like you have one point of contact and it was just done. We just want to make great products, so we don't want to waste time dealing with banks and setting up bank accounts and all these different admin stuff.
Our vision is to help people organize and to reduce stress in their lives. I think reducing stress in the way that they can stock up products, for example, I think that's a very, very huge advantage of Airwallex.
The greatest Airwallex value add to clients, well, I'm always tied back to time, money and risk. We save businesses actual money and actual time in setting up their financial infrastructure as they grow. And we try to decrease risk in their financial infrastructure through the consolidation of their different banking systems.
When we look to the future, almost every platform, whether you're a software player, whatever you're doing, you're going to want to offer your customers financial services and products natively in your experience. And so there's a huge opportunity for businesses like that to partner with infrastructure providers to be able to offer their customers the financial products and services that they want without having to become a fintech themselves. Airwallex is going to be the financial infrastructure and operating system for modern businesses. We're going to have an infrastructure network that is even more global than we have today, covering more countries, more currencies, more payment methods, all of that stuff. We're going to have the set of software and tools that make it really easy for customers to be able to solve all of their money movement needs in one place.
We have a single purpose, is to build the world's economic infrastructure to empower modern businesses to grow without borders, to connecting the builders, the makers, entrepreneurs with opportunity in every corner of the world. We're still in a very early days of our growth journey to become the backbone of global commerce and the digital economy is a $1 trillion opportunity. But more importantly, it's a bigger purpose than any one of us.